God, look at all those reflections. Solitude. Sorry, hi guys, it's Fred with Bearfoot Adventures, and we are at Lazydays, and we're going to take you through a few models that we are looking for to start our adventures back going on the road again. So, sorry, I have the mask on. So this is the first one. This is a Solitude. And they're pretty much all the same on the outside. I won't show you, bore you with that. It's got the good steps on it. It's got the big storage. This thing is huge. Tell you what, these things don't do you justice till you come here and look at them. This is a used model. This is a 19. This is a ST2930RL. So this is going to be like in between the Reflection and the full-blown Solitude. This is going to be the S class, I believe it's called. S series, something like that. So this is the inside. Here's the little banquet table. And you have, this is a rear living, a big island. Got the seats. Got the couch, you got the TV. You got the fireplace. This is really nice, actually, guys. I really like it. I tell you what, they don't do justice when you're looking at them online. Got a real microwave. Deep cabinets. If we get this, I'll do a more thorough tour. You got the 12, I believe it's 12 cubic feet.
It'll create a smell if you don't let them air.
So what do you think?
This is nice.
Doesn't do justice online at all, dude.
No.
And this is going up to the back.
Did you look at this pantry?
No. And this is the bathroom. Here's the bedroom. It's got a queen size bed. And I think I would leave it. She doesn't like queen size. Cindy doesn't. Love that window. You got the pantry. You got the wardrobe closet. It's really deep. Oh, this is where they had the hot dogs. So we're going in the back door of Tiffin, or I mean Lazydays in Tampa, Florida. They're one of the largest, or the largest RV dealerships. I'm coming. I'm old and slow and fat. I can fix the fat, can't fix the old and slow. There's the inside. Oh, this is the Solitude. My wife really likes this one, so. Well guys, hope you liked the tour, and let us know in the comments if you think we should get this one. Alright, thank you. I'll see you around the campfire. Bye.